Hello. This is, well, you don't need to know who I am. I just need to know who you are. You're the person looking to learn how to DJ online. So, there are many pieces of software out there that you can learn to use it off of. There's SAMs, which I have right here. There's a few that I don't have installed. There's the DSP plugin for Winamp. There's Mix. There's Virtual DJ. But the easiest one of them all is Sam's Broadcaster. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how to use it. Now, by now you've already had it installed and added all your music. So here's what you do. Launch it. Of course. Oh, it's that simple. Yeah. Hold on, man. I got to check something. Yeah, launch it. That's the software recording my screen right now. So there we go. As you can see, there's all my music. And you can even go here and add more music. But most of all, what's important when it comes to SAMs is how to set up your encoder. So you go to config. You go to, most streams have a 128 kilobytes per second, 44.1 kilohertz mono. And knowing me, I want to change that. Screw mono, I want stereo. Stereo and mono. Stereo is best, mono's good. So right there I already have all my information entered. You select Shoutcast, enter your server IP or the domain to the server, enter your port, enter your password, hit OK, hit play, and it starts encoding and you're golden. Right here is where you could talk. Let's see. Does it sound like I'm on old time radio? And right there you play your music, hit play next, and it's going. See? Do you see this now? Alright, I'm sure you see it by now. Let me open my volume mixer for a second. And when I unmute Sam's Broadcaster, because I'm conceited and like to listen to myself through the stream that I'm listening to, so I know that my voice sounds okay. Not really, but you get the general idea. Just select, in order to hear it, do this. That's all. I'm hoping I could upload this to YouTube now because they might flag it with Green Day when I come around in there. So there's that. Alright. I don't think there's enough of the song in there for them to flag it. So that's pretty much all there is to it. Now, I forgot which button I set to stop this capture. So I'm just going to hit stop right here. Yeah, right here. And that's all there is to it. So we caught into these tutorials around these here parts. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and hit stop. And I hope you enjoy this. And I hope the quality of the sound comes out okay. Which by this indicator right here shows that it is. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Later I'll make a revamped and show you, if you need to, if you're a complete Luddite, I will show you how to install it and set it up from scratch. But I really don't want to do that right now. I just wanted to show you how to set up the encoder. That's all there is. That's all you got to do. So the rest is child's play.